Yes, hello students. We shall continue with the examples of three-dimensional geometry. In the last class, I had told you the relation between a direction cosine and a direction ratio. I had also derived this one derivation, direction cosine of a line passing through 2 points. So what was that derivation? x2 minus x1 divided by pq, y2 minus y1 divided by pq, z2 minus z1 divided by pq. Okay, how to find PQ? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Based on that example and remaining few more other, so we are going to find the examples. So first question here, find the direction cosines of x, y and z axis. This is very simple. For 1 mark they are going to ask you. So how to find the direction cosines of this? So you know that if you draw a three-dimensional space like this, if you take x, y and z axis like this, okay, if you take the angles, so with respect to x axis you are doing now, with respect to x axis if you are doing, so what will be this angle? Along the axis it will be equal to 0 degrees. Okay, this is what, this is perpendicular, y axis will be perpendicular to x, so this will be 90 degree. Z axis will be also perpendicular to x axis because they are mutually perpendicular. So mutually perpendicular ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, along the x axis ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ 0 degrees ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, remaining to y and z ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ 90 degree ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, similarly ನೀವು y axis consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so along x axis ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 90 degree ಆಗ್ತದ, y axis 0 degree ಆಗ್ತದ, along z axis ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ 90 degree ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. If you consider z axis, so z axis ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ along x ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, so it will be 90 degree, along y axis it will be 90 degree, z axis ಜೊತೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ 0 degrees ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. So if I want the direction ratios cosines means what I have to do, I have to take the cosine of this angle. So with respect to x axis ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So x axis ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ನಿಮ್ಗ cos 0 degrees, cos 90 degrees and cos 90 degrees. Okay, so cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, cos 90 is 0. So coordinates ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ ಇದರದ direction cosines 1, 0, 0. If you do it with respect to y axis, it will be 0, 1, 0. If you do it with the z axis, so it will be equal to 0, 0, 1. So along ಯಾವ axis ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, along x axis ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1, 0, 0 direction cosines, along y axis if it is asked 0, 1, 0, along z axis if it is asked 0, 0, 1, because you are taking cosine of that angle. Clear? So now let me move to the second example. Find the direction cosines of a line passing through 2 points, -2, 4, -5, 1, 2 and 3. So this is, you are going to use that formula. Okay, that is what x2 minus, if you want that, x2 minus x1 divided by pq, y2 minus y1 divided by pq, z2 minus z1 divided by pq. What is this? This will be p point, this will be q point. So pq ಎರಡು points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, that is p coordinate is given, q coordinate is given. Okay, you have to find the direction cosines. So you are going to use this formula, x2 minus x1 divided by pq, y2 minus y1 divided by pq, z2 minus z1 divided by pq. Okay, what is pq now? pq is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So now let me find, first thing, let me find this pq length. pq is equal to, okay, root of, so ಇದು p point ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ, ಇದು q point ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. Okay, so first coordinates ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ x1, y1, z1. ಇದರದ್ದು coordinates x2, y2, z2. Okay, now x2 minus x1 whole square 1, x2 is 1 minus x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y2 is 2, y1 is 4. So 2 minus 4 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, 3 minus of minus 5 whole square. Okay, this is equal to root of 1 minus into minus is plus. So 1 plus 2 square. Okay, you're going to do this. So 1 plus this will be 3 plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 5 is 8. So this becomes 8. So this is equal to root of 9 plus 4 plus 64. 64 plus 4 is 68. 68 plus 9 is 77. So you get root of 77. What is root 77? It is length PQ. So first PQ find madidri direction cosines easily first find ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. x2 minus x1 1 minus of minus 2 divided by root 77. Okay, next y2 minus y1, it is 2 minus 4 divided by root 77. Then z2 minus z1 will be equal to what? 3 plus 5 divided by root 77. So which is equal to 3 by root 77. Okay, minus 2 by root 77 and 8 divided by root 77. This is how you are going to find direction cosines of a line passing through 2 points. Okay, so first x2, x1, y2, y1, z2, z1 coordinates correct agi nodkolri. Then find the length PQ. Then substitute in this equation. Okay. Next example. Show that the points A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4. B is 1, minus 2, 3. And C is 3, 8, minus 11 are collinear. Collinear means they all 3 points will lie in the same plane. So there are 3 points A, B and C. All 3 A, B, C will lie in the same plane. So first step what I am going to do, I am going to find the direction ratios. So direction ratios of AB length find ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. So AB length if I want, then what I have to do? Same, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. So if I want that, this is A point, this is B point. So if I want that direction ratios, 1 minus 2 I get. Okay, then it will be minus 2 minus 3 comma 3 minus of minus will be plus 4. So what are the direction ratios you are getting? Minus 1. Okay, minus 2 minus 3 is how much? Minus 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. This is direction ratio of AB. So either the direction ratios find madina. Okay, next BC find martini. Direction ratios of BC I am finding out now. This length. This is BC. Okay, here are the points. B is here, C is here. Okay, so now I am going to solve it. 3 minus 1. Okay, then 8 minus of minus 2. Then minus 11 minus 3. Okay, so this will be equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 and minus 7 minus 3 is minus 14. Okay, this is what these are AB points, this is BC point. Now compare AB and BC. So AB points what you have got? Minus 1, minus 5, 7. BC 2, 10, 14. Okay. Now you can see AB is proportional to BC. To BC. Andre AB by BC ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? This is 2. 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 7s are. So 1 5 7 you are getting. This is minus 14. 1 5 and minus 7 you are getting. Here also you have minus 1, minus 5 and 7. There is no difference because you know that minus indicates what here? It is a direction only. Side alla the direction. So AB will be proportional to what? BC. AB proportional to BC ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತದ AB ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ BC ಗ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. AB is parallel to BC means what? B point is common to both. Okay, so B is common andrena, this is B point, this is common to both these. It implies what? A, B, C are collinear. One point yaudo A, B, C ga ನೀವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be collinear. So I am proving that the midpoint B is common to AB and BC. Therefore it is what? Collinear ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ, ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus 2 minus 3, okay, then 3 minus of minus 4, it will be 3 plus 4. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? -1 -5 7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ವೇನಾಗಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 and 3 is here, so 3 minus 1 8 minus into minus plus 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು -11 -3 -14. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್. Okay, this is how you're going to solve all the examples based on the exercise number 11.1. So exercise number 11.1, whatever is necessary, I have solved everything. So only thing what I'm going to do for exercise number 11.1, I'll give you the hints. Try to solve this. Almost all the examples I have solved from your exercise number 11.1. The first question, I'll give you the hint for the first question. First question another. If a line makes 90 degree, this is from your exercise number 11.1, 90 degree, 135, 45 degree, find x, y, z axis respectively, find its direction cosines. Very simple. So L, direction cosines under L, M, N, cos 90, M is what? Cos of 135, okay, and N is what? Cos of 45 degree. Cosines under cos tagobeku, okay. Cos of 90 degree, you know it is 0. Cos of 135 degree, you can write it as cos of 90 plus 45. Trigonometric functions. Cos, if it is 90 plus yaudo angle ittandra, the sign change ಆಗ್ತದ. So minus sin 45 degrees ಆಗ್ತದ, which is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Next, cos of 45 degrees is how much? It is 1 by root 2. So 90 plus 45, 135, it comes in the second quadrant. So second quadrantal bantandra, it is minus 1 by root 2. So the direction cosines are 0, 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2 and plus 1 by root 2. Okay. So this is how we are going to find first one. So second one, find the direction cosines of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. Andra L is equal to no cos alpha, M is equal to no cos alpha, N is equal to no cos alpha. Now you three good different angles ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ವಿ, alpha, beta, gamma ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಿದ್ವಿ. But what they have given, they are making equal angles. So you know the identity L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Okay. So using that identity, cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1. So cos square alpha is equal to 1, which implies cos alpha is equal to what? Plus or minus 1 by root 3. Okay. So what it is making? 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3, or minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Anything you can take. So ಏನು ಕೇಳಾರಿಲ್ಲೇ? Equal angles ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾವ. So alpha, beta, gamma ಬದಲು all three have to take it as alpha only. Using this identity, you find the angle cos alpha. That is what cosine of an angle. It is how much you are getting? 1 by root 3. So your direction cosines will be 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3. Okay. Then coming to the third example, like this example already I have solved. Direction ratios, if they are given, you have to find the direction cosines. I hope you are going to do it. It is very simple. Try to solve this. So this is what 18 minus 18 divided by root of this. Then 12 divided by root of this. Minus 4 divided by root of this. Okay. So I hope you have used the identity. Using that identity you are going to solve this. If direction ratios are given, L is equal to what? Plus or minus A divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to plus or minus B divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to plus or minus C divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So formula gottada A, B, C values illidav A, B, C. Substitute in this equation. Try to get the direction cosines. This is same way. Third one I hope you are going to solve. Fourth one is also same. Collinear prove maduda. A, B, C 3 points ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ. A, B, B, C proportional ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. If it is proportional then this is also collinear. Okay, last example. Find the direction cosines whose vertices of a triangle. So one the triangle consider madri. A, B, C. Okay, so A point na 3, 5, minus 4 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. B point minus 1, 1, 2 and C point you take it as minus 5, minus 5 and minus 2. Okay, or separately find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. AB 1 point ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. AB vertex ಗ take it as 2 points. Okay, then you know the formula for when there are 2 points, x2 minus x1 divided by PQ, y2 minus y1 divided by PQ, z2 minus z1 divided by PQ. Okay, like that separately of all the three you have to find. AB you find it, BC you find and CA you find. Okay, all the three separately. AB the 2 points aito, other using this formula you have to find. Then BC you find, then CA you find. That is what direction cosines of a sides of triangle. Okay, so these three examples try to solve it. Thank you.